All right, Rhett, look at Daddy. Hang on. No, don't worry, I'm coming around. That's it, Rhett. Reel him in, Rhett. Lean back on him. There you go. Try to work him up towards the boat, Rhett. That's it, Rhett. Oh yeah, Rhett, I see him. Nice fish, Rhett. All right. It's a big old striper. Keep him in the water, Rhett. Keep him in the water. Just hold him right there, Rhett. Walk up towards the back front of the boat, Rhett.
Towards the front of the boat for me, okay? Hold him tight now, don't let him get.
That's it, right there, Grant. Just hold him right there.
Doing good. Walk some more.
Walk to the front of the boat, Rhett.
A little more. All right, let's go, buddy.
Grant, come look at my fish.
Wow.
Grant, look at my fish.
All right, can you hold him? Right here?
No, that's not.
Hold him up so your dad can see.
All right, Rhett.
Dad's in the sunlight.
That's good, though. Here, let me hold this rod for you.
There you go.
Got him.
Smile.
Say cheese. Hold on just a second, Rhett.